Ma'am, can you give 2 minutes?
Yes, I'll wait for 1 more minute. You can switch on your cameras. If you want to fix something, you can fix it and switch on the cameras. Okay, everybody. Okay. It's on focus mode, so nobody else will be able to see your videos. Only I can see it.
Ma'am, how to keep on focus mode?
That is already in focus mode.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So you can quickly switch on your videos because the counselor will be noting it. And yes.
Ma'am, I have some questions that I have to do that I did not understand how to do it.
Which chapter?
It is fractions.
Okay, fractions
Yes,
only.
ma'am.
Okay. So Abu Bakar, just share me on WhatsApp. You have my number, no?
Yes, ma'am. I'll just send
And
you.
yes, Abu Bakar, I was like, you saw your answer sheet?
Ma'am, I asked you the question about how, like, ma'am, everything was correct, but then, like, ma'am, in multiplication, you have to do, like, you should not do cross multiplication.
Yes, I just they gave you the division one, right? And the first step is like you need to reciprocate it. Your answers were correct, but you didn't reciprocate it. I think you read the comments as well, right?
No, ma'am.
Because you got the answer sheet,
Yes.
right? And I was literally surprised because all your answers were correct, but the only thing is that you did the first step wrong, and because of that, your entire answer were wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Like what you did was like I was feeling so bad when I was deducting your marks because you did it wrong. Right? I didn't give any marks over there. Like you lost, like for example, if it is 25 by 2 divided by 2 by 3. What you did was you simply solved it. That's it. But no, what you need to do is multiply 3 by 2. This you need to do. Right? You missed this step. This step you missed. And because of this, your entire answer were wrong.
Ma'am, can you show me how to do this fully?
Oh, okay. See, this is for everyone, a recap. Okay. So for example, if I give you a multiplication question, for example, 25 by 2 multiply by 12 by 5. Okay. So this is a multiplication question. In this, you will simply multiply it. Like, or you can do cross one, like 5 ones are 5 and 5 fives are 25. Right? And 2 ones are 2 and 2 6 are 12. Yes? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then 5 6 are students. Can you please switch on the camera? I'm just getting a text from the counselor. Okay, Abu Bakr, can you also switch on the camera? Is it possible for you?
Ma'am, my camera is switch on.
No, it's not.
Ma'am, for me, I can see it is switched on. Ma'am, but I will rejoin.
Okay. Okay, so let's wait, Priyanka. I think Manisha also is rejoining. Okay, Manisha rejoin. You know why they just asked you people to switch on the camera? Because sometimes, of course, you people are very obedient. I know that, right? Because you people are with me and I trust you. But the thing is that sometimes most of the students are like they're sitting and they're not working. So how would I get to know that they are working or not? So that's why this is an instruction that everybody needs to switch on the cameras. Of course, I trust you, but still, I know you people that you people are smart enough, but not everybody knows, right? That's why. Okay, I hope it's fine with everybody. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Abu Bakr, can you switch on the camera now?
Ma'am,
No,
am
no,
I
no,
visible?
now I can. Now I can. Okay. Okay, so let's just start, students. Okay. So what I was telling you is 5, 6 are 30 and over here 1. So you got 30 as an answer. This is a multiplication part. But for example, if the same question, Abu Bakr, I give you for division. Like for example, 5 and 12. Okay. So the first step over here would be 25 by 2 multiply by 12 by 5. Fine with everybody? Yes? Then you can do it. Like you will make a pair of this
Yes,
if you can divide it. Or so 2 ones are 2 and 2 6 are 12. 5 ones are 5, 5 5 is 25. So 6 5 are 30. You got 30. Clear? So I gave you these questions and what you did basically was 25 by 2 multiply by 5 by 12. Right? You didn't reciprocate this one. Okay. So whenever you divide, you need to reciprocate it. Then you will put this multiplication sign. Got it? Everyone? Abu Bakr, you got it? And I was literally feeling so bad because your answer were correct. But like for example, instead of 30 upon 1, your answer was 1 by 30. So I can't give you marks definitely, right?
ma'am, can you write everything in steps?
And why
like,
you lost that? Because you didn't test. Yes. See, what you did now, of course, you did it like this. 25 and 5, this and this you did. But you didn't reciprocate it because of your answer was whatever the denominator is, your numerator was denominator. Of course, there's a difference between 5 by 2 and 2 by 5, na? Yes? If
Yes,
this is
yes,
the
ma'am.
answer, if you have written this, I cannot give you mark. Right? So that's why I just wrote the comment over there that because of one step, your entire answer is wrong. Okay, so in division, if you will not reciprocate here, then you all will lose the marks. Okay?
Okay.
And whenever we divide, for example, I don't know whether it was in your paper. I think everybody else got the exam paper, right? I checked it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I think Manisha did it. Manisha and Priyanka both got it, right? Priyanka,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
attempted that? You attempted. Okay, I think. Let me just see. Let me see if I have the. And I think Priyanka, you didn't attempt that one.
Ma'am.
You need to attempt it. Priya, because Manisha got 14.5. I think Manisha, one question where you forgot to simplify that,
Yes, ma'am.
right? That only you lost half marks, other it was correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And Abu Bakr, the one mistake you did. Okay. So for next one, I'm
Ma'am,
expecting.
ma'am, I have still confusion. Like, what steps you should do in uh, division and multiplication.
Okay. In division, Abu Bakr, only one step. For example, 2 by 5 divided by 3 by 7. Okay. So first step would be 2 by 3 multiply by 7 by 3. That's it. This step. Putting it, multiply and reciprocating it. This is the step in division. Write it down if you are forgetting this. In multiplication, for example, 2 upon 5 multiply by 5 upon 7. Nothing. You can simply do this. 2 5s are 10, 35. This is your answer. Then you will simplify this. 5 2s are 5, 7s are. So 2 by 7 is your answer. Clear?
Ma'am.
So multiplication is simple. Even, sorry, yes. Who said
Nothing, ma'am.
ma'am?
You can first finish doing this.
Okay. So I think you got it now, Abu Bakr, right? See, if you are getting confused, here also you did this step. Okay, after that it become multiplication question only. It's your choice. If you are getting confused in this one, na Abu Bakr, then don't do this one. Just simply multiply. 7 multiply by 2, 14. 5 3s are 15. Done. Okay. Here also, see, you got 2 by 7 because you multiply 5 with 2, 10 and 7 with this. Or if you do the cross one, na, 5 and 5 would be cancelled. What is left? 2 by 7. If you are getting confused in this, don't do this, please. Just do this. 5 multiplied by 2, 7, then simplify. Fine?
Ma'am, so then
Okay.
there's
I
two
think
ways. You can.
yes, there
Ma'am,
are two.
there's two ways. So then there's two ways.
Yes, there are two ways.
You can do straight or
You can do cross.
cross.
Okay. Got it? And for division, what you need to
Yes.
do, you just need to write multiply and reciprocate this one only. No need to do this, only this one. Then it will become multiplication and you people are fine to like ready to go. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, so then,
Hmm.
ma'am, the first step is for division, you have to like you have to change the sign to multiplication.
Hmm.
Then if we want, we can like take 2 multiplied by 5 or 2 multiplied by 7.
First step, you will change the sign and you will reciprocate it. The denominator will become numerator and numerator will become denominator. Fine? Yes? Clear, Abu Bakar?
Okay, so
Yes.
then the first step is,
Now,
yes, ma'am. So then,
huh?
ma'am, so then the first step is to multiply. Then after that, it is to reciprocate. Then after that, there's 2 ways you can multiply with 5 or multiply.
Multiply and reciprocate will be same in the first step only.
So then there is no need to like if we are reciprocating it, then we don't
Then
need
only
to.
you will write multiply. You cannot write it like, for example, 2 by 5, see the step. Divided by 3 by 2, for example. Okay, I'm just erasing this. Okay. Now, over here, what I will do, 2 by 5, multiply by 2 by 3. Here only I will reciprocate. Multiplication is always like this only. Okay, multiplication will always be like this. 2 2s are 4, 5 3s are 15. These two are in divide. So how would you multiply this? Okay, so just forget about the second step. Just remember this. Just multiply simple. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. These two, 2 and 5, you cannot multiply because this is a sign of division, na? 2 by 5, that means they are in division. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now what you will do, Abu Bakar? You will just try doing that question paper again. Okay. And I will text you. You tell me when you will do that question paper again. On Friday? Abu Bakar.
Ma'am, I can do it today.
Okay, so you will do it today and share it to your counselor and just mention, Sania ma'am asked me to reattempt the weekly test. Please share this answer sheet with Sania ma'am. Or you have my personal number, you can share it with over there as well. Okay?
Okay.
So I'll recheck it and over there I'll just share the feedback. Yes?
Can I get your number?
Yes, yes. I think everybody has my number, no?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'll just write it here. Okay, I'll just use the country code as well. +91.
Ma'am, and for the multiplication?
It's simple. Multiplication. No need any step. Just simply multiply this. Okay. For example, 2 by 7. You got it in the chat box. I've written the number. For example, 5 by 2. This is a question, Abu Bakar. Just simply multiply like this. Just forget about everything. 2 5s are 10. 7 2s are 14. Yes? Then, if it is
Ma'am,
possible, huh?
ma'am, so then that like difference between multiplication and division is that only you have to
One step.
reciprocate.
Yes. And that was the your test was on division. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? I gave you the question for division and you missed because you missed this step. Okay.
Ma'am, so then if it was about multiplication, I would
And
get
after that, if yes, you would have got full marks. Okay. And now after this, you got 10 upon 14. You need to simplify this. Like for example, 2 5s are 10 and 2 7s are 14. So you have to find a number in which that is divisible by both. See, I cannot divide it like sometimes in when I checked the question paper, I was literally surprised because there was student like for example 15 and 7 for example. What those students basically did, 7 1s are 7, 3 5s are 15. They did it like this and I was literally surprised. Okay, they did like 15 comes in 3 tables, so 3 5s are 15 and 7 comes in 7 tables, so 7 1s are 7. So this is wrong. You have to find a number that is going to divide both, right? So, right, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So this is, you have to, this, I think you people didn't did any mistake like this. Others did, I think 6th class student or something like that. Okay. Okay, so I think I have made myself clear for the fraction and fraction.
Ma'am,
Nobody has any problem, right?
ma'am,
Hmm?
can you
Yes.
show like how to
Yes,
do
yes, yes, Nisha.
comparison of fractions comparison?
Okay. So for example, 2 by 7 and 3 by 7, right? In this case, basically the denominator is same. Yes.
ma'am.
But who is greater? Automatically, ma'am, 3 by 7 is
3 by
greater,
7.
right? So remember one thing. I'm just giving you a trick, okay? When denominators are same, right? We behave in a correct order. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, for example, if it is this and 3 by 7. Okay. In this case, denominators are not same. What are same? In this
Then
case,
break it.
numerators are same,
Yes.
right? Yes.
Yes.
So when numerators are same, at that time you behave
Incorrectly.
opposite. Okay. Yes, you behave inversely, right? When numerators are same, you behave opposite. So tell me, 5 is bigger or 7 is 7 is bigger? Who is greater?
7.
7 is
But
bigger.
you will behave opposite. So that means you will say, ma'am, 3 upon 5 is greater than 3 by 7. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Got it? Any confusion?
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
it's like 2 by 4 and 3 by 7.
First, if it is like this, first you need to make them equal.
Ma'am, how?
Okay. For example, 2 by 4 and 3 by 7. Okay. So what you will do, you will take the LCM of these two, 7 and 4. Okay. 7 and 4. So 2 2s are right. Then 2. Then 7. So 4 7s are
Ma'am, 4.
huh?
2
4
2s
7s
are
are no 2
right.
2 is 4 na?
4 7s are 28.
28. Right. So now 2 by 4 and 3 by 7. Right here 28 and here also 28. Okay. Now
Okay,
this
ma'am.
4 should be multiplied by which number that you will get 28?
7.
7. So automatically you will write 7 here. You got 14. Yes?
Ma'am, instead of like taking the LCM, can we do area comparison? It's easier.
Yeah, it's your choice. You just need to make the denominator same. That's it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Then what about like 2 by 5 of 3 by 8 and 7 by 6 of 5 by 3? Like that question.
Okay. Let me just solve this one first. Then I'll tell you.
Okay,
Okay. So now over here, 7 should be multiplied by which number? It will give you 28.
4.
4. And here also 4. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Should we simplify?
Yes. Now you can simplify or you cannot. It's your choice. Okay. If you got the denominator same, no need to simplify. Others you can. Or if you
Okay.
simplify, what you get? 2 7s are and 2 1s are 2 4. 7 1 and 7 2. Right? Here 2, 6, 2,
Ma'am,
2, 3. Huh?
if we ever, whenever we do LCM, the denominator will be same, right?
Yes. Right?
Okay.
So over here you got the denominator same. If you will further simplify, your answer would be different, na? So you will just compare 14 by 28 or 12 by 28. So of course, ma'am, 14 by 28 is greater, and 14 by 28 was 2 upon 4. So this is greater. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the other one which I was talking about is like, for example, 2 upon 3 of,
5 upon 8.
okay, or
Any number.
any number, 3
Yes, ma'am.
upon 2 of 5 upon 7.
Okay, ma'am.
So first you will simplify this, like 2 upon 3 multiply by 5 upon 8, right? And put a box here, 3 by 2 multiply by 5 upon 7. Okay. If the denominators are coming same after solving this, or the numerators, you will easily compare, right? But if both denominators and numerators are different for both, then you will follow this step now. Okay, taking the LCM and making the
Okay, ma'am.
denominator same. Okay, fine with everybody?
Okay.
Any doubt, anything?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay,
Mm.
because in the next class, I'll give you the test for fractions, right?
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fractions, no, fraction and we did division of decimals? Oh, no. This time I'll not give you the test. This time I'll give you the test for data handling. Sorry, we finished it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So in case if any day I take the test for this, be prepared. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Someday I'll randomly take your test, where in that I'll just give you the questions like 2 upon 3 or something like that. Like
Okay, ma'am.
the division multiplication. Okay. Now let's just start, student, with the rational number chapter. Okay. So first of all, rational numbers. So what do you understand by rational numbers?
It's like a mix of integers, fractions, whole numbers, natural numbers, decimals. Like,
If I'll ask you what is the definition of rational number, you will say rational numbers are those numbers that can be represented in P upon Q form. What you will be writing? Rational numbers are those numbers that can be represented in P upon Q form. But Q should never be equals to 0. Okay?
ma'am,
Got it?
ma'am,
Hmm.
why every teacher is telling only these two variables like P upon Q? No, like A upon
You
B.
can take X upon Y as well, not a problem.
Okay, ma'am.
But from our childhood, we are taught, like when I was in 7th grade, I was taught the same thing. So I'm following the same thing, right?
Okay, ma'am.
You can take any variable. It's not like that P and Q you have to take. You can take any variable. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So everybody will put a chapter name, rational numbers, and write the heading, rational number, and write number. Rational numbers are those numbers which can be represented in or which can be written in P upon Q form, where Q is not equals to 0. Okay. So rational numbers are those numbers that can be that can be written. You can write so that it will be easy for you. That can be written or represented okay.
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Abubakar, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait a minute. Let me just tell one thing. I just checked. I just checked one answer sheet. I don't know whose answer sheet. I think Minisha. Yeah. Minisha, you did the bar graph thing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll show you. Wait a minute. This, right?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So in this, basically, I just added the comment for revisiting the concept because first thing, why you have written the scale here? Is this a scale?
No, ma'am.
You write a scale here, right? 1 unit equals to 100.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this? Score it is, na? I think you wrote scale instead of score. And here, I can't
Yes,
see it
ma'am.
properly. Here you will be writing the sports or whatever it is. And here you will
Okay,
make a
ma'am.
index. Here you will write, ma'am, shaded part represent this, participants. You wrote it here, but you don't need to write it like this. You need to make the index here only, not here.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So that's why I
Okay.
did it because you, and over here you didn't wrote y-axis, you didn't wrote x-axis. So I just put it a comment, revisit the concept so that, see, you did it correctly, but you will not get marks. Why? Because you missed the information, right?
Okay,
So
ma'am.
that's why I put it over there. So you need to revisit that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So I think this part is clear to everybody, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So now in rational number, in rational numbers, everybody knows that this is numerator and this is denominator. Anybody who don't know? Everybody knows, na? Numerator and denominator.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, one next come is equivalent rational numbers. Next topic is equivalent rational number. Okay. So for example, I just gave you 2/3, right? And I asked you, you have to find 5 equivalent rational numbers of 2/3. So what you will do?
So
2/3.
we have to multiply it with the same numerator and denominator.
Yes. 2/3 multiply by. You can take any number, but denominator and numerator should be same. You can take 5, 5.
Ma'am, we should
Hmm.
never simplify the equivalent.
No, you will never
denominator.
simplify this equivalent one. Okay, you leave it
Okay,
like this. Okay, clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so now let's just move to the next one. Okay, equivalent is clear. So everybody will put a heading equivalent rational number and you will put like this. Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Everybody finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Abubakar, done?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Abubakar, I can see your curtains. I can't see you.
Ma'am, I'm writing.
Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. So now let's just come to the next topic. Okay. Which is the positive and negative rational number. I hope you people know this and I don't need to teach you, right? Positive numbers and negative numbers.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now rational numbers on number line as well. I think you people are very much aware how it is.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll tell you how rational numbers or number line look like. Okay. So for example, 0. Okay. So it's like 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5, and 5 upon 5, like this. It will carry on. 6 upon 5, like this. Okay. And here,
Okay, ma'am.
minus 1 upon 5, minus 2
Ma'am,
upon 5.
won't the denominator will also be minus?
Yeah, it's no. If it will be minus, Vinisha, if it will be like this, then what will happen?
We'll get the product as a positive one.
Yes, minus and minus will be cancelled, na? It will be 3 upon 5 only.
Okay, ma'am.
That's why. Okay,
Okay.
so now you people will write down number line and you can draw this, a rough type.
Okay,
Okay?
ma'am.
Now, ma'am,
Yes, Priyanka?
right now.
Yes.
Ma'am, should we need an arrow mark? Ma'am,
Sorry?
should we need an arrow mark?
No. Just leave it like this. You
Okay.
can put an arrow here like this. Okay? And an arrow here as well. Okay? So that it says that it is continuing.
Okay. ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Any Abu Bakr done?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. Now the next one is standard form. Okay, do you know what is a standard form?
No, ma'am.
We have to find the HCF, right?
Yes, it's basically like you have to divide it, right? Until and unless that, okay, I'll just give you a definition. Can you see it? A rational number is said to be in a standard form if its denominator is a positive integer and the numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. Okay, now ma'am, what is this? This is a fancy definition. We didn't get it, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? It's like, first of all, the denominator should be positive. Okay? And
Okay, ma'am.
for example, 25 and 10. Okay, is there any table in which both of them comes?
5.
Yes,
Five.
5 table, right? So 5 2s are 10 and
5.
okay,
5.
wait. it, how you people basically write it now, so that you people don't get confused. You got to know, ma'am. Yes, they both are like in 5 tables. So divided by 5 and divided by 5. So 5 5s are 25 and 5 2s are 10. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Now this 5 and 2, do they have something common?
No.
No.
No. So that's why this is the standard form.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, that means you have to reduce it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So basically, a rational number is said to be in a standard form if its denominator is a positive integer and the numerator and denominator have no common factor. In this, they had something common, that 5 was common. But in this case, they don't have anything common other than 1. 2 ones are and 5 ones are, 1 is common, right? So that's why it is a standard form. Clear?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, so you will write standard form, you will write this, and you can write the example.
Ma'am,
Okay,
then
then
what about highest common factor?
sorry? That
Highest
will
common.
do. That is
Okay,
HCA.
ma'am.
We'll do that later on.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, should we only write the example?
Just write the definition and the example. Okay, everybody finished?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, write it, write it.
Done, ma'am. Ma'am, what if the denominator was negative?
Over there, you will put it, but whenever, like for example, it's something like this. 9 upon minus 8. Right? So you shift the negative here. Clear?
So,
Okay. This is what you do. Instead of, you will never see. Have you ever seen the question like this? Ever? It looks
no.
awkward. So that's why we write it like this. Both are the same thing. It means it should have a negative. That's it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
That's why you cannot write the negative sign in denominator. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Abubakar, you also finished writing? Priyanka?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll give you one question. Okay, which is the example number 1. Let's see how intelligent you people are. And remember one thing, you have to keep on dividing it until and unless you get the numbers which you cannot further divide.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, everybody finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Priyanka, Abubakar?
Yes,
Priyanka, you're also done?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is the answer?
Minus 3/2.
Yes,
Okay. Everybody got 3/2?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
minus 3/2.
Mine. Okay, what about others?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
we should divide 50 by 5 or multiply, ma'am.
Oh, divide. Divide.
Ma'am, I just took the multiple
Okay,
like
see,
with both.
let me
I
one
did
thing.
not divide.
Okay, wait. See, you have to find a standard form. That means you have to reduce, right? Reduce means you have to decrease. For example, 2. For example, 20, right? If you divide by 5 and if you multiply by 5, where you will reduce and where you will increase?
No, ma'am, not like that. After we divide and we'll get the answer, right? But with that answer, can we multiply or divide?
Then also you will divide. You will keep on dividing it until unless you get those numbers that cannot be further solved.
Ma'am,
Okay?
I just took the simplest form.
Yes, the simplest form only you have to do here.
Ma'am,
So
but
first
I
of
did
all,
not divide.
yeah, no. So then what you do? Yeah, that's the same thing.
Okay, ma'am.
Simpling form or standard form, that's the same. Okay. So I can start with 5 table directly. If you want, you can start with 3 table as well. Let's just start with 5 table. Okay.
Three.
So 5.
I started with 3 table.
Yes, if you started with 3 table, then also fine. I'll do both. If you started with 3 table, then it will be 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15, and 10. Right? And then
Yes,
3
ma'am.
fives are 15 and 3 2. So you got 5 upon 2. Right? Minus, wait.
No.
3.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is you got. And here, even if you start with directly with 5 table, it's fine. 5 nines are 45. And 5
And
6
6.
are 30. Then 3 threes are and 3 twos are. So again here you got
Yes, ma'am.
3 upon 2 minus 3 upon 2. Yes? Abu
Yes,
Bakar,
ma'am.
you're getting this? Abu Bakar. Abu Bakar, can you hear me? You're there? Abu Bakar, can you hear me? Others, can you hear me?
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
So you got it.
No, ma'am.
Why? Why you didn't get it, Abu Bakar? Tell me. Which part you didn't get, Abu Bakar? This one? Abu Bakar, which part you didn't get?
Ma'am, I did not understand how to get the answer.
Okay. I think you are aware how to divide it, right? So for example, you got 45 and 30. You have to find a table in which both will come. So 5 table, 45 also come, 30 also come, right? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Ma'am,
Read the 5 table and tell me 45. Yes. So 5 nines are 45 and 5 sixes are 30. Yes? Yes, Abu Bakar? I can't hear you. Yes, I said 5 table, both the terms come. So 5 nines are 45 and 5 6 are 30, right? Yes? Yes? Then 9 and 6, do they both comes in one table? Yes, ma'am. 3 threes are 9 and 3 twos are 6. So this will be your final answer. Clear? Okay, Abu Bakar? Can others hear Abu Bakar? I think his voice is breaking, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Abu Bakar, I can't hear you properly. Your voice is breaking. Abu Bakar, do one thing. Switch off the camera and then try. Now try.
Ma'am, what about the minus?
Yeah, that will come here. Minus only. Minus 3 upon 2. Okay?
Ma'am, so then the minus does not make a difference.
No. You have to write the minus, but that will not make any difference. Okay? You can simply solve it and at the end you can put negative here. Okay?
Yes.
Now, there's one more thing to find the standard form. It is the HCF, which Minisha was talking HCF. Okay? So, to reduce the rational number to its standard form, we divide its numerator and denominator by their HCF, ignoring the negative sign, if any. Right? If there is a negative sign in the denominator, divide by negative HCF. That's what I told you, right? So, for example, let's just take one example, 36 and 24. Okay? Minus 36 and 24. Okay? You people know how to find HCF?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So if no, I'm telling you here. So first of all, 36 you will write simple and 24 here, right? So
Ma'am, it
two,
will be like same, right?
let's see. 2 ones are and 2 8s are 16. Then 2 9, 3 3 and 3 1. Yes. And for this 2 1 12.
Ma'am, it should be like both of them should be in the same column, right?
Yeah,
36
it's your
and
choice. It's your choice.
24.
It's your
Okay,
choice.
ma'am.
Okay.
If we put like this, we have to plus them, right? Or just yeah.
Yes. So for 36, the prime factorization was 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by, oh sorry, 3. And for 24, the factors are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3.
3.
Yes. Now this is common, and this is common. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Right? So 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So what is the HCF? 12. Okay. So
Ma'am,
hmm,
can you tell how to do the LCM?
LCM is, you will also include these two, 3 and 2.
No, ma'am, how to do the LCM?
Same method. Same. But
But
when you are finding HCF, you will only take the common one. Okay. But when you find LCM, you will write it like this. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. Like the remaining one also you include. You multiply.
ma'am,
Right?
but
And that,
we have to divide the LCM till 1 and 1.
yeah, same. LCM is this only. You need to find LCM after that.
Ma'am, if they're asked to find the LCM of 77, what should we do?
Yeah, you will find it like this now. Easy. 77. So 7, 11 and 11 ones are. So 11 and 7 you will 77 would be 11 into 7. So 77, LCM of 77 would be 77 only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. So what if the
Okay, but
the
sometimes
below,
usually
what if the below one will not get to 1?
sorry. No, if you will not get one, there like it's not possible.
Okay, ma'am.
Every time you'll get one. Because for example, you got something which cannot divide further. You will just simplify that number with that number only, you will get one. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
So this part is clear to everybody what I
Yes,
did here.
ma'am. Yes,
Now I got the HCF is 12. Okay. So what it says, to reduce the rational number to a standard form, we divide the numerator and the denominator by their HCF. Okay. So I'll divide this with 12 and I'll divide this with 12. Okay. So 12 in 36, 12 table 36 come. 12 in the 12, 24, 12 3 is 36. So negative 3. In 12 table 24 comes
2.
2. So this is your standard form. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So quickly first you will write this. Just write it till here. Everyone quickly.
Okay, ma'am.
Because we have only 1 minute. Abu Bakar, did you get this?
Ma'am, what is the heading?
Nothing. Reducing form only. Reducing to standard form. By using HCF method.
Okay.
Ma'am, can just write to reduce the rational number to its standard form, we have to use HCF. Done, ma'am.
Okay, everyone finish?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, quick.
Ma'am, can we leave?
So that's it for today, students. We'll meet in the next class and we'll continue. Okay, Priyanka, you are done?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, no problem. We'll just continue from here only next class. Okay? You want to write?
Okay,
I'll
ma'am.
show it. Minisha, you can leave. What about Abubakar? Priyanka, just write the definition till here, na? Don't write the example because I again teach you this.
Ma'am, can you send me the
Can you send me what?
ma'am the test?